Nous avons pensé cette année-ci que par rapport à ce prix, il valait mieux offrir aux artistes une visibilité dans la sous-région. En partenariat avec Wallonie-Bruxelles, qui a intégralement sponsorisé, subventionné cette action, nous sommes partis dans la sous-région et nous avons justement fait des interviews, des émissions télévisées et radio. Et nous pensons que justement, plus qu'une somme d'argent, la visibilité pour un artiste est très très importante.
Moi, je me demande comment moi je pouvais, par exemple, arriver à Kampala et faire des émissions sur des télévisions. Comment moi j'allais y arriver? Je ne comprends pas. Écoute, c'est vraiment une chose qu'on ne peut pas négliger parce que, écoute, étant donné que on est au Burundi, que le Burundi n'est pas connu, les artistes burundais n'ont aucune importance aux yeux de ces gens de la sous-région. Je vous dis que voilà, on a profité d'exporter notre musique et on a profité de ces émissions dans ces grandes télévisions-là.
Ugandans have somehow, like, they have embraced their own. We love our own. We love promoting, like a programs manager told you.
Said he talks about accessibility of that music. If we agree to give you our music, all you want, can you promise to our, to the fan to get or to listen or to watch that music?
Yeah, no, definitely we can. Again, it's about having, the crossover appeal. Does it appeal to our listeners? And now people are a lot more broad-minded. People want music from different parts of the world. They're not just focusing on Western influences. So if you were to give us some of that music, then definitely we'd be able to make it available to our listeners.
If you agree, I'd like to present you the best we have in Burundi. Steven Sogo from Burundi.
Some traditional instruments.
Here, the music has to be there. And then when it is there, then there is another problem. The problem is piracy. You may not get the money that you want, but if you want the popularity, once the song is good, everybody is going to have it because everybody, using a computer, they will make a copy and then they will take it. So the problem is, where can we get the music?
En avant, marche. 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 Voici comme ça.
Je vais vivre en ville.
Pourquoi pas rester?
Je vais changer le monde. La campagne m'enfonce.
Ituntu twagize yari turi nziza cyane rwose kuri twebwe parce que twarakoze cyane birenze kandi twarakiriwe neza cyane rwose ibintu bidashoboka. Twarashitse ahantu muri Uganda batubwira ko ari ibintu bigoye cyane rwose, turicara hasi turiyumvira abajournaliste ko badashaka kutubona cyangwa badashaka kugira gute kubera batari batuzi bazi ibyo dukora cyangwa ibiki. Eko mu nyuma Imana yaratwugura imiryango usanga ibintu byose bibaye bien, birugurutse, turinjiye mu mateleviziyo, turagize ibiganiro, turagize ibiki, byabaye ibintu byiza cyane rwose.
Here we are once again. What's up, Africa? What's up, East Africa? What's up, everyone who is catching the show? It's a boy Calvin, the Entertainer Live. This is a UBC TV. People joining us on DSTV. That's on channel 140. It's a pleasure that you all guys are catching the show. Now today we're having what we call the guest corner. We always have a couple of guys. They come through. Some of them are musicians, the personalities. They get to tell us what's up with their music, what has been happening with them. And to me, joining on set are two great musicians all the way from Burundi. Guys, how you doing?
My name is Steven Sogo from Burundi. I'm a musician. Yeah. I play guitar. Okay. Don't you know?
They know that. They know that. Madam, unasemaje?
Salama, naitwa Riziki Uinyota, natoka Burundi.
Natoka Burundi. All right, now tell me about your music. I've been looking at some of the DVDs here. quite interesting. I love how the laboring, it's quite good, good.
Thank you, thank you.
Tell me, what kind of music are you doing?
Yes, my music is traditional, traditional mixed by modern.
Many genres.
Yes,
styles.
yes, of course.
Yeah.
Because I like to mix because I want to get something mixed but original. Yes, original.
Yeah.
Yes.
Actually, when he talks about being original, you know, you need to do something out of the ordinary, something totally different, which I think that explains. Earlier on, before we came on, said you told me you've been having tours here and there, moving around.
Yeah.
How are the people receiving your music?
Yeah, they are happy. They are happy because I have brought a new music.
Yeah,
a new music.
style.
Yes,
Yeah.
a new style, and they need to hear me, to listen to my music, to discover my music, and and they get involved in my music, and they need to catch me. They need to see what I'm doing. Yes.
Mais aussi, nous avons visité une mère de la musique ougandaise. Elle s'appelle Halima. Halima, c'est elle, l'initiatrice de l'entreprise, du marché de la musique en Ouganda. C'est elle qui a formé, qui a mis en œuvre tout ce que vous voyez aujourd'hui en Ouganda. Grâce à elle, d'ailleurs, Liziki a pu avoir 2 chansons, des enregistrements dans son studio qui s'appelle No End Entertainment. Et Liziki a fait un duo avec sa fille qui est une grande chanteuse.
I am the mother of all the artists in Uganda. When you come to the airport and you say, who is the mother of the artists? The name Halima will come out. What I did when I first started music, in fact, all the artists are walking through my footsteps where I went. When I first started music here in Uganda, the singers were not respected. They were taken as anything, like, oh, okay, she's a singer, or just a caricature, those who does drums and all that. They say, oh, those are just drummers. They never give them respect. In music, you go up. It's hard to remain there. To remain there, you have to fight and fight and fight to remain there. Sometimes you go up and then sometimes you go down. For me, I think I'm just there. I never go down, I never go up. Once I said, okay, I'm going to promote, I started promoting artists. And if you have artists from Burundi and you want them to be promoted, you came to the right place. I have a company, it's called No End Entertainment. No End Entertainment, it means it doesn't end. Rachel, this is Rizik. And Rizik, this is Rachel.
Nice to meet you again.
Yes, thank you.
You're welcome here.
So what you are going to do, you are going to sing together. You're going to make a collabo together. And we are going to see how if it works out, then we make more songs. You know, we make more songs. And then Riziki will do some songs by herself.
Okay.
Without you.
Sounds great.
Yeah, but when you are promoting your music in Burundi, you have to promote Rachel K's music.
She's a musician also.
She's a well-known musician here in Uganda.
We are the same. We shouldn't hurt each other. No, we are the same. We gotta help each other.
Urukundo ni kwiza, ni kwiza, ni kwiza.
Any entertainment is here. Once you come to know any entertainment, you find everything you want. So if you say Riziki is the best in Burundi, the best female artist in Burundi, and she comes to the best studio, we are going to give her the best production in entertainment. That's how I'm going to start promoting her, with producing her music. From producing her new music, then we will shoot a video. After shooting the video, then we start promoting her here, and then you'll be promoting her in Burundi more and more, and she become international. I believe in musicians, African musicians, to become international, not only local. Local means you are just in your country. I want them to cross over, and if she is the best female artist, she need to cross over to Uganda, to Tanzania, to Kenya, to Nigeria, to Zimbabwe, Zambia, everywhere countries. That's what we are now targeting, not only in our countries.
Vous voyez que dans son entreprise, il y a toutes les stars de la musique ougandaise. Ça, c'est Kampala.
Rencontrer beaucoup d'artistes, des artistes comme la mère là. Et c'est très important parce que si, par exemple, demain ou après-demain, j'envisage de faire quelque chose avec elle, je pourrais lui écrire et créer des contacts et voilà, commencer. Donc vraiment, ça a été une ouverture parce que ces gens-là, ils s'en foutent carrément de la musique burundaise et d'elle, ils ne connaissent même pas. Voilà, écoute, il fallait s'imposer, aller là-bas et se montrer que voilà, nous sommes là, nous chantons, voilà, écouter notre musique, voilà, prenez des CD, écouter, regarder nos vidéos. Et franchement, c'est quelque chose de plus important que nous devons continuer à combattre pour que notre musique soit exportée dans la sous-région.
Hapa ndo TBC Tanzania, Dar es Salaam. Pengine mmejisikiaje kufika hapa na kuzungumza na Abubakar Mwanamboka, mtangazaji wa Tanzania?
Tunafurahi sana, tunakufurahia sana.
Tunakupenda sana, yani tunakufurahia sana.
Hii ni Amplifier Clouds FM na sasa hivi niko na mmoja kati ya wakali kutoka Burundi, Steven Sogo. Mambo vipi?
Mambo poa.
Uko fresh?
Niko fresh kabisa.
Kiswahili chako kizuri, inaonekana kama
najaribu kidogo, sijui vizuri Kiswahili lakini najaribu kidogo.
Okay. Wewe ni mmoja kati ya wakali kutoka Burundi.
Naimba, nacheza pia gita vizuri. Na perform kila siku kwa nyumbani bwana.
Okay.
Sasa na Burundi.
Sasa unaweza ukatuimbia kidogo tu?
Hirebo mon pays. Hirebo mon pays Burundi. Hirebo.
Sasa wimbo unaosikia alioimba sasa hivi kidogo ndio huu hapa ambao uko chini unausikia kwa mbali. Na tuambie Burundi unafanyaje kazi? Labda una bendi ama wewe kama wewe?
Ndio. Burundi na bendi likubwa sana Burundi. Tunacheza muziki kwenye mabara, kwenye maklabu zimoja. Na pia tunafanya muziki, tunafanya performance huko katikati nchini. Fasi yote. Ndio kazi ya muziki tunafanya kila siku. Tunarecord ma CD. Muziki. Tunacheza muziki.
Kuna mwingine tumekuja naye lakini kwa ubovu wa bahati hakuweza kufika hapa ndani ya studio.
Ndio.
Hebu ningependea kwanza tumsikilize kidogo ngoma yake hapa. Anaitwa Riziki Winyota na yeye miaka miwili hivi amefanya vizuri sana Burundi, ndio ana hiti the best female. Miaka miwili yote anakuja juu sana. Ndio. Hajatoa album ya kuenea lakini kwa nyimbo zake kama 5 tu zina hiti sana.
Ngoja
tumsikilize.
Fahamika kama ambacho anapigwa shida.
nafikiri wanakupenda.
Umesema unapenda kufanya kazi na kumekojani hapa. Wakati Jay anakuja Bujumbura, ameingia bar ambapo Riziki anapigia muziki. Basi Riziki hakuwa anapiga nyimbo zake na za wengine. Akamwona Jay akasema lazima nipige nyimbo yake. Akacheza ile nyimbo inaitwa nyimbo gani tena ile inaitwa Siku Hazigandi. Hawachoki.
Yote mlosema mlotenda nafahamu, nasonga mbele mangapi, hii amesemwa mangapi nimeona.
Basi JD yeye mwenyewe anaweza kasema, lakini siku hiyo nimeona alimshangaa sana yani. Unasikia? Sasa baadaye sasa ndo akaanza kutoa nyimbo zake sasa. Nyimbo ya kwanza imehiti ni Ushauri, nafikiri namba 2 au namba 3 hapo.
Ndio.
Ushauri alipiga salsa. Sababu msichana huyu unapiga style zote. Anakupigia salsa, anakupigia slow, anakupigia zuki.
Kuna kitu ambacho tulipitia hapo, tulikuwa tunaongea kwamba sauti imekwenda kwa Jide, pia vile vile kavutika kama kwa Karola Kinasha hivi. Lakini kazi ni nzuri kiukweli. Na mtu yoyote ukimwambia kwamba huyu ni Mburundi anaweza kukataa. Lakini ukisema kwamba ni Mtanzania, asilimia zote anakubali. Sababu ni Kiswahili. Anaimba sauti ya Kitanzania. Dakika 19
Nyemna bitsibanga ryo kubaka mukurushinga kuva kera, nabasabye impanuro. Aha mumbona nubatse nkiri muto, sinzi ko yobara amani canke kubingora. Gitangura kubaka namubona umwanya wose, warayaga dushira hamwe urugo rugahimbara bate.
Jana gashimira Menyamedia muri ikishimviro cha Pamawadi urumva yatweretse yuko tugeze gukora parce kuri jewe vraiment yanyise ko ntegezo gukora parce yari nyugura imiryango. Ubu unyeshatse kujya muri Tanzania ndagenda, nshatse gutanga amasede ndayatanga parce barambonye baranzi ntibikigoye ubu kandi grâce ya Menyamedia, grâce ya Pamawadi atuka sinuko gushima ndabishimira.
Urihangana mwana niko uyu mugabo mubona jewe arangoye. Urihangana mwana niko